definite integral. Okay, today I have discussed property of definite integral. I have discussed already how can deal with definite integral. Okay, so one by one some properties. First one, according to, I know that a to b f of x dx is equal to f of x a to b f of b minus f of a. Okay, I have already discussed f of x is the defined function and continuous between a and b, closed interval a and b. Okay, then we got the from a to b f of x dx, it is written like corresponding to this one. Now property number one, first, if a to b f of x dx, then it is also written as a to b f of t dt. How can prove it? I know that integration of a to b f of x dx, okay, it is written as f of x a to b means f of b minus f of a. Now here a to b f of t dt, it is also written as f of t a to b, so it is written as f of b minus f of a. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side proof. Okay, now another property, second property, a to b f of x dx, this is equal to minus of b to a f of x dx. Okay, any doubt? You can also prove it, prove here. So first of all, make it. I know that. What about this? This one is written as, from left hand side, a to b f of x dx, it is f of b minus f of a. Clear? I have already, if minus is common, then it is written as f of a minus f of b. What is the meaning of this one? That is minus of f of x of b to a. B to a means that is integration of b to a f of x dx. Okay, so second property also proof. A to b f of x dx, it is written as minus of b to a, limit or interchange. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. Here if minus replacing this one minus, then we have upper limit written here and lower limit written here. Okay, now third property, that is third property, a to b f of x dx, it is written as a to c f of x dx plus c to b, but here c between a and b, or you can say that c1 a to c1, c1 to c2, c3 to c4, whatever, and last one b. Okay, means what is the meaning of this one? c1 to c2, okay, c2 to c3, c3 to b. Okay, that is f of x dx plus f of x dx plus f of x dx, and that is f of x dx. What is the relation between a, c1, c2, c3 and b? c1, c2, c3 and b. How can prove it? How can prove it? Now from here f of x dx, it is written as f of x from a to c, that is f of x from c to b. Okay, now that is f of c minus f of a plus f of b minus f of c. So f of b minus f of a, what is the meaning of this one? Means f of x from a to b, it is written as a to b f of x dx. Clear? This is the third property. First of all, make it. After that we have discussed fourth properties. Now fourth property, that is a to b f of x dx. It is also written as a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. How can prove? According to this, it is very powerful property. Property number 4 is a powerful property. Fourth and fifth both are very powerful. Now I know that if any doubt from right hand side, I know that a f of a plus b minus x dx, let x, sorry, a plus b minus x this be equal to t. If x this be equal to b, then t this be equal to a, and if x this be equal to a, then t this be equal to b. X this be equal to here b, then we got t this be equal to a. Now, and what about minus dx, this be equal to dt, so it is written as dx this be equal to minus t dt. Okay, now from if x this be equal to b, then that is a and that is b, and this one is t minus dt. Okay, now you can also written as a to b f of t dt. Okay, and this one again written as a to b f of x dx according to property number 1. This one is also written as corresponding this one, that is same is left hand side. Okay, so make it. Now property number 5, very important property, minus a2 plus a f of x dx. It is written as 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx, and that is 0 if f of x this be equal to f of minus x this be equal to f of x. Okay, means that is f of x is an even function, even function. Now if f of x is be equal to minus f of x, that is f of x is odd function. First of all make it, after that we have discussed how can achieve this target. Okay, so fourth and fifth property is most important. Most of the time this property is always utilized, so careful. According to property 4, Now minus a2 plus a f of x dx. Apply property number 4. We got minus a2 plus a f of a minus x dx. So we got minus a2 plus a f of minus x dx. Clear? Okay, this one is written corresponding to this one. Now another way, this is written as minus a2 0 and 0 to a f of minus x dx. Clear? If x is replaced minus t, let x is replaced t. Okay, minus x is replaced t, so means x this will equal to minus t, dx this will equal to minus dt, and if x this will equal to 0, then what about t? T is 0, and s this will equal to minus a, then t this will equal to plus a. Okay, apply this property in here. Then we got that is a to 0, and dx is replacing minus dt, and this one is written as f of t dt. Okay, f of t dt, and a to 0. Okay, and here minus dt, and this one is 0 to a f of dx. Okay, now here it is written as according to property set number second, like this one, f of t dt plus 0 to a f of x dx. Now another way, property number 1. According to property number 1, this one is also replacing t with the help of x, so you can written as 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a f of minus x dx. Okay, after that zero to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. Okay, this one is equal to like this one. Okay, now if f of x, f of minus x is equal to f of x, means if this one is an even function, then that is 2 times of 0 to a f of x, nahi, dx, means if f of x, f of minus x is equal to f of x, that is even function. Okay, now if if f of x this is equal to minus f of x, that is 0, in that case f of minus x is equal to f of minus of f of x, means in that case you can here written here 0 to a f of x minus that is 0, so it is proof here. Okay, make it very powerful concept, that's why we have discussed here one by one written. Okay, that is property number 5. Now sixth property, 0 to 2a f of x dx. Okay, now it is also written as 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx and 0. Now here f of 2a minus x, this will be equal to f of x, then otherwise f of 2a minus x, this will be equal to minus f of x. Okay, if now seventh property, same as fifth property, you can also, if f of x plus t, this will be equal to f of x, means f of x is a periodic function, is periodic function, okay, with period t, then 0 to a n a f of x dx, it is written as n times of 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, these 7 properties are very powerful property. Okay, with the help of these property we can do most of the question, 99.99% question done corresponding to this property, especially 4th, 5th property, and 6 also very important. Okay, so first of all make it, after that we have discussed problems on these properties. Okay, how can apply. Okay, first of all make it. Our motto determine integration of definite integral. Okay, I know that property number 4, a to b f of x dx, this will be equal to f of a plus b minus x dx. Now apply these properties. 0 to pi by 2, 0 plus pi by 2, that is pi by 2 plus 0 minus x divided by sine of pi by 2 plus 0 minus x plus cos of pi by 2 plus 0 minus x dx. Okay, after that I know that 0 to pi by 2, this one is written as sine pi by 2 minus x, that is cos x, divided by this one is written as cos x, and this is written as sin x dx. Okay, this is also I. Equation number 1 and equation number 2 both are adding, then we got 2i. After adding 1 2 I plus I, 2i, this will be equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x, because of both denominator base are same, that is sin x plus cos x dx, and this one is 1, so 0 to pi by 2 dx, it is written as pi by 2. So 2i is written as pi by 2. So what about I? I is pi by 4. This is the final answer. Make it. Okay. Now another question. First of all make, after that we have discussed another question also. Minus 2 to 3 mod of x minus 1 dx, this will be equal to I. Okay, so first of all mod of x minus 1 is written as, if x is greater than 1, then is x minus 1, and if x is less than 1, then it is written as like this. Okay, clear or not? Now this modulus, we have minus 2 to 1 and 1 to 3. During minus 2 to 1, corresponding to this one, so it is written as minus of x minus 1 dx, plus in between 1 to 3, this interval is x minus 1 dx. So now integrating this one, we got x square minus 1, x square by 2 minus x minus 2 to 1 plus x square by 2 minus x 1 to 3. So 1 square minus 2 to the whole square divided by 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 square minus 1 divided by 2 minus 3 minus 1. Now minus of 1 minus 4 divided by 2 minus 3 plus 9 minus 1 8, 8 by 2 minus 2, that is minus 2. So minus of 3 by 2, 9 minus 3, sorry, minus 3 by 2 minus 3 plus 8 by 2, that is 4, 4 minus 2, that is finally 2. So finally we got plus 3 2 just 6, 9 by, that is 9 by 2 plus 2, so that is 4.5 plus 2, that is 6.5. okay, so first of all make it, after that we have discussed another question. Now I this will be equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x 1 plus dx. Our motto, determine. What about I? What about I? How can we discuss? I know that I this will be equal to 0 to pi by 2. Apply property, fourth property, sine of pi by 2 plus 0 minus x, so it is written as like this one, cos of pi by 2 minus x whole divided by 1 plus sine pi by 2 minus x, and this one is cos. Now 0 to pi by 2, this is cos sine pi by 2 minus x, that is cos x, and this is sin x divided by 1 plus cos x sin x, are written as sin x into cos x. This is 1 and this is question number 2. From 1 and 2, that is 2i, this will be equal to 0 to pi by 2. If both are adding, then we got 0 into dx. Okay, so you can say that is 0. So 2i this will be equal to 0. So what about I? I is 0. Make it. Now 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx, this is I. Our motto, determine I. I know that apply fourth property, log of tan of pi by 2 minus x dx. Now this is written as log of tan pi by 2 minus x, this is cot x dx. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Adding both equation first and 2, we got 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x plus log of cot x dx. Now 0 to pi by 2 log of tan a into log of a plus log of b, this is written as log a into log b, sorry, log ab. So tan x into cot x. I know this is 1, so 0 to pi by 2 log 1 dx. And what about log 1? That is 0, so it is 0. So what about 2i? 2i this is equal to 0. So what about i? I is 0. Make it. Now apply fourth property here. 0 to pi, here returns pi minus x into sine pi minus x divided by 1 plus cos square pi minus x dx. Okay, now 0 to pi minus x sine pi minus x, that is sine x, because it's in second quadrant. Okay, now next one, 1 plus square, that's why same. Okay, now another way, equation number 1 and equation number 2. If equation number 1 and that is equation number 2 both are adding, then we got 2i this is equal to 0 to pi minus x plus x into sin x whole divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. This will be equal to 0 to pi into sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, now here 2i this is equal to, so 2i is written as pi is common, 0 to pi sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now if cos square x t, sorry, if let cos x this be equal to t, then what about sin x dx this be equal to dt, or you can say that sin x dx this be equal to minus dt. Now if x this be equal to pi, x this be equal to pi, then what about t? Cos pi is minus 1, and if x this be equal to 0, then t cos 0 is 1. Okay, so it is written as pi 1 to minus 1. Okay, 1 to minus 1, and this is minus dt divided by 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. Okay, that is sin cos t this be equal to t, then it is written like this one. Now after that pi into -1 to +1 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Okay, f of t is 1 upon 1 plus t square. It means f of minus t is written as 1 upon, same as, means f of minus t is equal to f of t. It is even function. Okay, that's why this one is written as 0 to 1 2 times of dt divided by 1 plus t square d. This is 2 pi tan inverse t 0 से 1 2 pi tan inverse 1 और tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So 2 into pi by 4, 2 pi square by 2. This is pi square by 2. This is the final answer. Make it. Sorry, 2i is equal to pi square by 4. So what about I? I is written as pi square by 4. 2i is equal to pi square by 2. So what about I? I is equal to pi square by 4. This is the final answer. Make it. Now I is equal to x 1 minus x to power n dx, that is 0 to 1. Now apply fourth property, 0 to 1. We got 1 minus x and minus, you can say that 1 minus x to whole power n. Now 0 to 1, 1 minus x, it is written as x to power n dx, or that is 0 to 1 x to power n minus x power n plus 1 into dx. We got x to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus x to power n plus 2 divided by n plus 2 from 0 to 1. So we got n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 2. So finally we got 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2 is the right answer. Make it first of all. Very simple. Now integration of 0 to 2 pi cos के power 5x dx. This is I. Now apply the property 0 to 2 pi cos square 2 pi minus x dx. Sorry, cos to power 5. We got same answer. Okay, if you apply fourth property, then we got same. But I know that f of 2a minus x, this is equal to if f of x. I know that, or you can say that here a is the pi. So 2 pi minus x, this is equal to f of x. Okay, so according to property number 6, apply here. It is written as 2 times of 0 to pi, and this is 5x cos x to whole power 5 dx. Okay, now again, if it is written as here f of pi minus x, this is equal to cos of pi minus x to whole power 5. We got minus cos whole power 5. Okay, means f of pi minus x it is written as minus f of x. Clear? If any doubt, then you can solve another method also. Apply property to 0 to pi cos pi minus x dx. This is equation number 1. Now here 0 to pi, apply this property here. Okay, we got this is minus of cos 5 cos x whole to power 5. Okay, that is equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2, we got 2i this equal to 0. So what about I this equal to 0? Make it. Now here f of x this equal to if sine square x, f of minus x, that is same, means even function. So according to property number 5, that is 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. Okay, according to property number 5. Okay, f of x is an even function, so it is written as 0 to pi by 2, and it is 2 times of this one. Okay, now you can solve it. 2 sine square x, it is written as 1 minus cos 2x dx. So that is x minus cos 2x is, it is written as sin 2x divided by 2, 0 to pi by 2 pi by 2 minus sin pi divided by 2, that is pi by 2. That is finally we got pi by 2. Okay, now another way, I is written as minus pi by 4 say 2 plus pi by 4 sin cube x into cos, x cube into cos cube x dx. Okay, now first of all focus on this function. F of x is x cube into cos cube x. What about minus x? We got minus, okay, because of cos minus x is written as cos x, that's why x cube is minus 1, so minus x cube into cos x cube. Clear? Now after that it is written as minus, means f of this function is minus f of x this equal to f of minus x this equal to minus of f of x. Okay, now f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So you can say that this is odd function, that is odd function. If this one is an odd function, you know that what about this one? This is 0, means a, it is same as minus a2 plus a f of x dx. Okay, and f of x is an odd function, then this value is 0. Okay, so written as like this one. Otherwise, if any doubt, sir, I not understand what are you saying, then apply this property, minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4, we got minus, and this one is again we got like this one, so that is x cube minus of x cube into cos x cube dx. This is 1 and that is 2. From 1 and 2, 2i this equal to 0. So what about I? I is 0. Make it. minus 1 to 1 log of 2 minus x upon 2 plus x dx. Apply property minus 1 to plus 1 log of 2 minus divide by 2 1 minus x minus x. Now minus 1 to 1 log of 2 plus x divided by 2 minus x dx. Now that is equation number 1. That is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, 2i this will be equal to minus 1 to 1 log of 2 plus x plus log of 2 minus x upon 2 plus x dx. I know that log a into log b, sorry, log a plus log b is equal to log of a into b. So finally we got minus 1 to 1 log 1 dx, and log 1 is 0, so there is 0, so I this 2i this will be equal to 0. So what about I is 0, make it. Now apply property number 4. Sin pi by 3 plus pi by 6 divided by sin pi by 3 plus pi by 6 minus x plus cos pi by 3 plus pi by 6 minus x dx. So pi by 6 to pi by 3. Now pi by 3 plus pi by 6, that is pi by 2. It is written as sin pi by 2 minus x, it is cos x, same as that is cos x, and this one is sin x dx. That is equation number 1, and that is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, 2i is equal to pi by 6 to pi by 3 sin x under root of, and this one is cos x under root of, divided by cos x plus under root of sin x dx. This is 1. So finally we got integration of 1 dx, that is x, from pi by 6 to pi by 3. So pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Okay, if multiply 2, that is 6. So finally pi by 6, and 2i this will equal to pi by 6. So what about I this will equal to pi by 12. That is the final answer, make it. Okay, according to apply property number 4. Property number 4 is a to b f of x dx, this will equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x. Okay, Now I this will equal to 2 to 5 under root x divided by under root x plus under root 7 minus 6 dx. Now apply property number 4. 2 to 5 under root of 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus x, here 7 minus x plus 7 minus x dx. 1 here 2, from 1 and 2 if both are adding, under root x plus under root of 7 minus x whole divided by, what about this one? This is root x plus this is 2 to 5 dx. So x is 2 to 5 and that is 5 minus 2, that is 3. So 2i this is equal to 3. Then what about I this is equal to 3 by 2. This is the right answer. Okay, now last one, integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx divided by 1 plus under root of tan x. Okay, now this one is also written as pi by 6 to pi by 3. This is sin upon cos. I know that tan x is written as so that is ds divided by 1 plus under root of sin x upon under root of cos x. This one is written as pi by 6 to pi by 3 cos x divided by here cos plus under root of sin x dx. This is I. Okay, once again apply property, same property apply here. Then we got, I have already discussed 0 to pi by 6 to pi by 3, that is cos pi by 3 plus pi by 6, that is pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus x divided by again cos pi by 2 minus x plus under root of sin pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay, first of all make it. After that I is written as pi by 6 to pi by 3 root sin x divided by under root of sin x plus under root of cos x dx. Okay, now this is equation number 1 and that is equation number 2. If adding both and 1 and 2, then we got 2i this equal to pi by 6 to pi by 3 under root of sin x plus under root of cos x, and once again denominator sin under root of sin x plus cos x. So we got 1, or you can say that written here divided by root of dx, and this is x. So x is pi by 3 to pi by 6, and we got pi by 3 minus pi by 6, that is pi by 6. Finally we got pi by 6. So 2i this equal to pi by 6. So what about I this equal to pi by 12. This is the final answer. Make it.